Did you know that there is more than 45,000 dams in over 140 countries around the world? The global demand for clean water is growing fast, and the hydroelectric plants play a critical role in the supply of clean energy. Some dams must be built in order to support the rising demand, but more importantly, existing dams must be maintained in order to improve their longevity and their safety. Many of them are past their intended life. This is where software and data play a huge role. One example is the Diablo Dam north of Seattle, constructed in 1936. Using the Bentley iTwin platform, engineers created a digital twin of the dam in order to make it safer and more sustainable. 82 million aerial survey points make the digital twin accurate within 2 centimeters. IoT sensors and artificial intelligence allow for real-time monitoring. By combining engineering data, including structural and geotechnical, with operational data from drones and IoT sensors, engineers have a much better understanding of the exact condition of the infrastructure asset in its full context. This allows the maintenance work to be both more efficient and effective, leading to a more reliable and sustainable infrastructure. As usual, you can learn more about this and other fascinating infrastructure projects by following Bentley.